Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Nasty Addiction Garage, and welcome back. On our last episode, what we did was we started removing the 5S from George's red MR2. So we were still in the process of doing that. We still have quite a few different things to do. I like taking my time with these things. I'm not in any rush right now, but I do want to get it done quicker than later. So what we're going to do now is we're just going to continue on this motor. We got a few things to do up top, but then we're going to go now, and then after we do the things on top, we're going to then go down to the bottom, lift the car up, and we're going to start working from the bottom down. So guys, let's jump into it. And again, thank you for watching. So let's get to it. So this is kind of where we're at. As you guys can see, I'm looking around the motor completely. I got very few things still attached to where I won't be able to take it out until I remove those things. But I got the AC that needs to be removed. I got this little piece right here that needs to be removed, so then I could just remove it from here and let the bottom of the motor mount unscrew and then let that drop. But I got the motor mount back there, down there. Still got to remove the exhaust, but I could take that all out in one piece. I still got the driver's side motor mount right there, just so I need to take off, and then the front motor mount right there as well. I got to remove the cables. I think there are a couple coolant lines for the transmission, if I'm not mistaken, right over there. I already removed the fuel feed line, the return line. The majority of the stuff is pretty much off. So guys, let's dive into it. I'm going to put you guys back on a time lapse. Again, thank you for watching, and please, if you have any comments, please put them down below. Enjoy this time lapse. Like I said, make sure you got something to eat, something to drink, and just sit back and chill, guys. So let's get to it and let's go. Right, everybody, we got the red MR2 in the air, so this is good because then now I can start working from the bottom up. Let's take a look at how the downstairs looks on this baby. Let's see. Ooh, it's got some leaks going on there. Ooh, a lot of leaks. George kind of knew this. He knew that this motor was end of life type of thing. So what we're gonna do now, guys, we're gonna go ahead and start unbuckling things from the bottom up. So we're gonna start removing some of these panels that we have here, some of these plastic panels, to try to get them out of the way, so then we can go ahead and finish this job. So let's get to it, guys, and let's look at the top real quick just to make sure that we don't have anything else up there that we need to unplug and disconnect. But we're gonna go ahead and do that. So let's go, guys. All right, guys, as you guys seen, what I was doing was removing the ECU part of the harness, I guess, that's in the rear firewall. I can actually show you, let's see, it's right back here. So it actually connects to the ECU. There are the 3-4 plugs back here. I think there's 1, 2, 3 plugs. This guy, and then your starter relay. So I did remove those, pushed those right through the firewall hole there, and then pulled it out on this end here. And right now, so I got the wheel lock, I believe, or the wheel key. So we're gonna go now and start removing the wheels, putting the wheels to the side, and start removing whatever we can from the bottom end. So guys, let's start getting into this so then we can get this going, and let's get to it, guys. So let's go. All right, folks, we got the tires off. Now, what we're gonna do next is start unbolting things that we need to unbolt down here. We have quite a few different things. What I'm gonna try to do is get everything off kind of at the same time. So I'm gonna try to go ahead and unbolt that arm. I'm gonna unbolt the lower control arm. I'm gonna go ahead and unbolt this. I'm going to unbolt it from the suspension as well, take off the caliper, leave the caliper up here as well, and then just kind of pull this off. So then when I drop everything, I want to drop it with the subframe so the subframe could come down. I could bring everything out and it'd be out of the way. So guys, let's just jump into it. I'm gonna put you guys on a time lapse. I'm just gonna go ahead and unbolt this, these arms on this side, same thing for the arms on the passenger side, and then we're gonna call it a day. I got some dad responsibilities, so I'm gonna try to go and do those like I need to do, but I did want to record what I'm doing here just so you guys can see what I'm doing. So guys, let's jump into it and let's go. All right, guys, with Movie Magic, obviously, I got all this down to the point where I am happy. So the only thing really connected to the body is this brake cable, and that's going to be connected to right here. I just got it dangling here. I did remove everything else. I removed that arm. These arms stay. The axle stays. What I'm going to do is drop the whole thing from the subframe once I unplug the motor mount. So this is done already. The other side is already done too, guys. So what I'm going to do though right now is conclude this episode, just because I do got to go in and I do have some dad responsibilities. So we are pretty good right now, and where we're at, I think we're making great progress. Everything for the most part up top is ready to be dropped. We're keeping all of the cruise control stuff. We're keeping all of this stuff on this end and this end here. So we just got a couple things to do. I got to finish removing or unhatching the linkage right there with that little pin right above it. And then I'm pretty much good. I did unplug the AC already, so that's good. Then we're gonna head up the motor mounts, guys. But all that's gonna be done on the next episode, guys. So again, remember, like, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching. I appreciate every single one of my subscribers. And again, thank you, and thank you. But make sure you check out the Nasty Addiction Garage LLC.com website. I got awesome merch on there, guys, so please take advantage. It's awesome t-shirts. I have a pretty cool keychain right now, so check it out. Buy some merch, support the channel. Again, thank you. Take care of yourselves and each other. Peace.